298 score in sociology, which is huge, massive score. And technically, I would say this was her first attempt with the mains.
My sources, just to show people this, only this I had. This was your class notes. These two notes was your class notes. Just this and these two books of Nitin Samwan. That's all. One kind note here is that I am an engineering background student and I did not do my BA in sociology or MA in sociology, because many people think that only humanities subject or student who took be UG in there, that thing will be doing good. I had only 65 odd days in my mains. On that time only I came into this LevelUp crash course. I would happily say that I blindly followed this crash course. From the first day, from the first, even from the first class, you have to break the myth of value addition. From the first word I have written. Thing is, again, from your advice, I won't be dumping the answer with thinkers. I would use only thinkers whom I know, that is, who are all in the syllabus. I trusted the process actually, which I underwent, and I did it sincerely. All 8 tests I have undertaken. In the first test itself, you said that many people will be writing first 4 tests and last 4 tests and all. No, many people won't be writing. So I made a point that I'm going to follow this crash course.
Many a time students devote lot of time to prepare current affair for socio. So they keep discussing sociology of everything that they see in the Hindu and Indian Express. Are they wasting their time?
So to be frank, they are wasting their time.
You should have knowledge like 6th attempt, but you should write like a first attempter. And I think it really, you actually, I would say is somebody who exemplified the statement very well, because it was technically, you were writing like first attempter only because it was your first attempt technically with mains. And definitely you had clarity like a 6th attempter, and you made sure that whatever you write, it is not going to be just notes, it is going to be proper demand of the question.